Everybody has their insecurities, even some of the most powerful men in the world, like Donald Trump, with his spray tan and his hairpiece. Insecurities are present in all areas of life, at all ages, and can be deadly if we don't know how to control them. They tend to make us miss out on opportunities that could change our life forever. I'm gonna go through what needs to be done to limit your insecurities and grab hold of your inner greatness. I'm also gonna share my biggest insecurity that I have and how I deal with it. Now, the first thing you gotta do to deal with an insecurity is just know that it's there. If you don't know that it's there, you can't change anything. It'll hinder your ability to get things done, to be able to grab hold of those opportunities, to be able to just have an all-around better life that doesn't have those insecurities hindering it. So it is very important to be able to recognize that those insecurities exist, and sometimes it even has a way deeper meaning that goes right into your subconscious. So what you have to really do is dig down, look at what the problem is, what your insecurity is, why it's there, what causes it, if it's something from your past, something from your childhood, if it's just something that you've had problems with because of other people judging you. You just have to kind of dig down to the basis of it. Then once you accomplish that, then you'll be able to change it. Now, a big thing with insecurities is it's all about what you think about it. Doesn't matter what anyone else thinks, it's your mindset. If you have a mindset that insecurity is gonna affect you, I can't do this because of my insecurity, then you're never gonna be able to do something. So that's when you just gotta change the mindset, just gotta go out there, out of the comfort zone, because once you get out of your comfort zone, you'll be a lot better off. So a change in mindset is just a huge step to take, because then it won't hinder you because you let it hinder you. Now, of course, a big step to take as well is try and fix it. If it's something you can fix, then why haven't you fixed it? If it's because you're holding yourself back from it, if it's because other people are seemingly holding you back, you can't let that affect it. You have to just change it. It may be hard, it may be something you've tried to do for a while, but you might just have to try a different way. But if it's fixable, you have to fix it. Now, an example of that is my biggest insecurity. If you haven't been able to tell, I have a medical condition called gynecomastia, and what that means pretty well is, if you can't tell, I have breast tissue that has formed, and which I'm not supposed to have because I'm a guy. And a way that I have dealt with that is just kind of wear clothes that are kind of work better with it. Sometimes it does not allow me to wear certain shirts that I want to, but a way that I'm fixing that is I'm talking to a surgeon. I'm going to get surgery on it so I can get rid of it and it doesn't affect me the way it has for the last 8 years. Now you get to feel special because I've only told a handful of people this. It's something that's affected me since I was 12 years old, probably a little bit even before that. I was always a heavier kid, so it kind of just looked like I was fat, but as I got older, once I started to slim out a little bit, it became more noticeable. But even though I've had it for this long, I've put in a lot of these techniques that I'm explaining to help myself deal with it and to not let it affect me. As you can see, it doesn't affect me. I can wear whatever shirt I want now, and just a change in mindset does that. Is I don't care what people think, so hey, I can do what I want. One thing that's key to remember though is to just not let anyone affect what you do. Do what you want to do because you want to do it. Don't let anyone else dictate what you do when you do it, because that's just you're not gonna get anywhere in life thinking like that. So with all these insecurities, if it has to do with other people, don't let it affect you. Have a strong mindset to do what you want. People make fun of you, just don't associate with those people. I've been bullied quite a bit for my insecurity, and it hasn't changed anything. I don't care what other people think. But the main thing to come away from this is just don't let it stop you. Don't let insecurities have you make a decision that isn't yours. Don't let other people influence you based on what you're insecure about. Just be you, do what you want, and just live the life you want. And with that, make sure you subscribe if you like this video, and just keep striving.